This is the same route I am taking, which I used to take 26 years back to go to school. It's becoming difficult for me to walk. This is the Vitthal Rakhumai Mandir. Oh my god, what to tell you? I just now asked someone, where is the shortcut to go to the school. Long route I am taking. So this is the main entrance of the school. Hello friend, this is Rakesh and welcome to our channel. Friend, today I am making one special video, and friend, today I am going to take a walk to my school after 26 years. Friend, I am at Ribandar. Okay, in Ribandar, there is one famous school, Bal Bharti Vidya Mandir. I studied in that school, and in 1999 I completed my schooling there, and since then for the first time I am going to take a walk to the school. School is on top of a hill, so I am going to take a walk and I am going to see what is the experience now, what changes have taken place. So I am going to show you all that. This is Ribandar Pato, and we used to get down here. Our bus is to come down here, and we used to get down, and then we used to take a walk towards the school. Okay. What I have noticed is Ribandar has changed. Not exactly changed. There are new buildings that have come up, and also old buildings are there. Old and new. Okay. Looks good. Now let's go. This is the same route I am taking, which I used to take 26 years back to go to school. Okay, this, I think there is a gym here. Yes. Lot of new buildings have come up here on the slope. This is the well. Now it is reconstructed, we can say. Yes, things have changed completely. This used to be a tar road. And now pavers. Good. And this is the temple. Over here there is a temple. Okay. And now good thing is that I don't know what to say, good thing or bad thing. In 26 years, lot of things have changed even in my body, and to walk on a slope, it becomes difficult, and it is becoming difficult to take such a walk. This slope is, like not that much is there, but it's becoming difficult for me to walk. This is the Vitthal Rakhumai Mandir. Okay, Vitthal Rakhumai Mandir. This side where buildings have come up, we used to go, berries we used to remove. Kanna. There was a way to the school from this side. You know what happened, friend? In 26 years, I have come to school sometimes, but not walking, but with my bike. But for the first time in 26 years, I am taking a walk. So that is a different thing. Oh my God, what to tell you? I just now asked someone. Where is the shortcut to go to the school. That lady told me the shortcut has been now stopped. Now we have to go long way. There used to be a shortcut from there are some apartments that have come up, and there was a shortcut to go to the school. But now it seems that shortcut has been stopped or something, and now we have to take a long route. It's getting dark. I think it may rain. If it rains, then I have brought the umbrella. Oh my God. See, lot of buildings have come up here. So in 26 years, lot has changed. So many buildings have come up. There is nothing wrong, because as our population has increased over the years and everybody wants to have their own houses. Okay, I also want to have my own house, so it's nothing wrong. As our population grows, we have to build more houses, and there is nothing wrong in that. So this is long route I'm taking. I think the shortcut was much better. Shortcut was much better. Sometimes I used to come to school directly from Chimbel, taking a walk. There were many hundreds of children. They used to walk down from our village Chimbel and come to the school. Sometimes some would walk 3 kilometers, 4 kilometers one way. So it was that difficult that time. Now most of the children, they have school bus or vans, school vans. They drop children to school, which is much better. Okay, good. There are benches here to sit. That's our school, Bal Bharti Vidya Mandir. That's our school. Okay, so that's our school. This is our school. Okay, good. I think that is the one of the entry to the school. There is main entry. Now I'll go to the main entry of the school. I have reached to school, but I am not exhausted. But I am little bit tired. Earlier we used to walk kilometers, but now it's a bit difficult. So this is the main entrance of the school. This is the main entrance of the school, and it is so nice to reach school by taking a walk. So friend, this was the video. I came down to my school, Bal Bharti Vidya Mandir in Ribandar, Goa. I came walking down to school after 26 years. I had passed my school in 1999 and this is 2025. And it is very nostalgic to come down walking to school. Thanks a lot, friends.